Terra. Can you see the snow? Even as at February 17th. You see how it is in the streets. We are driving. Everybody has bundled up. Marco is still struggling to hold his car. Yeah. We're just dashing to the bank to go and change Rekia's status since she's 18 now, so she can operate her account by herself. But the bank is very near the house though. How are you? I hope you are good and you have taken your medicine. When is the next doctor's appointment? We're just driving to the bank nearest to the house to see how bumpy the roads are. This is February. It was worse than this in January and December.